Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the LTE architecture. Yesterday we have discussed the introduction to LTE. Okay, so today we will discuss the LTE architecture. That is basically it is a 4G architecture. Okay, so we have studied the 3G architecture, that is UMTS, and 2G architecture, that is GSM. Okay, so we will discuss the 4G architecture. It consists of basically three blocks like this: user equipment, and this one is EUTRAN, that is evolved UTRAN. UTRAN stands for UMTS, terrestrial radio access network, and this is your EPC, and in UMTS it is called as core network. Okay, and here it is EPC, that is evolved packet core. Okay, so it consists of few modules. Okay, so in user equipment you have mobile equipment and you have user sim. Mobile equipment is your basic, it is nothing, just your mobile, and USIM is user sim. When the sim is inserted in the mobile, it is known as user equipment. Okay, so it is connected to this EUTRAN through the EUTRAN components through the UU or we can say that air interface. Okay, so this interface is UU. It is same like as in UMTS. Okay, so this is your E node B, that is evolved node B. Okay, so evolved node B means we have we have done some changes in this. Okay, means we have upgraded the version and it is called as evolved node B. Okay, in UMTS we use it node B, and here it is E node B. It is connected to another node, another the same node, evolved node B, by the X2 interface. Okay, so this is the important thing. Okay, so the thing it is the thing here. Okay, like we don't have any controller here. Okay, as in UMTS or GSM architecture. Okay, so this E node B is similar to like the BTS in the GSM system. It is similar to like the node B in the UMTS system, that is 3G architecture. Okay, so in 4G we have upgraded this version and it is called as evolved node B. Okay, so there is no controller. Okay, means all the control is done by these node only. Okay, means in 2G network we have for controlling BSC systems like base station controller. Okay, and then we came to the 3G, and in 3G we have RNC, that is radio network controller. Okay, but we don't have controller here. Okay, all the controls are done by these node. Okay, in the EUTRAN system. Okay, then this is connected to this interface through S1 MME interface. Okay, so and this is connected to this module through S1 U interface. Okay, so here this MME is nothing, it is your management means it is management mobility of. Okay, it is basically mobile. MME is mobile management entity. Okay, so basically it is used for the management of mobility of mobiles. Means if mobile goes from one place to the another place, so it maintains that mobility. Okay, then this HSS module, and this is connected through the S6A interface. Okay, so this HSS is what? It is basically a permanent database of that system. Okay, here one more thing also. Here this is divided into two sections. Means one is control panel. These two modules comes under this control panel, and these two modules comes under the user panel. Okay, so this is control. Basically it is managing your mobility of mobiles, managing your mobility of mobiles. Okay, and it is just a database. Okay, database, it is just a permanent database. Okay, so in this user plane we have this SGW and this PGW. Okay, SGW is the same as SGSN system in UMTS. Okay, it is same, we have discussed it in UMTS system. And this PGW is nothing, it is just a window to the internet. Okay, here we are getting the internet access, that is a packet data network. Okay, so it is just when the signal is here, and it is just going for the internet, okay, and it is just the window for that. Okay, so this is your whole LTE architecture. Okay, so we have I have given full forms here, like MME, mobile management entity. HSS is your home subscriber system. Okay, it is permanent database. Okay, and this PGW is your packet data network gateway, and this is your serving gateway. Okay, so this is your complete LTE architecture.